Half the young people living without job, who ain't turning hoes and bowlers, they thieving and rob. You say how they lazy and they don't see head. They don't give you so much in a row and can't buy a bread. Pperman Ralph, Pperman Ralph, you and Face Picker Julian, all you mash up the land. Pperman Ralph, Pperman Ralph, you and that head cook Julian, all you mash up the land.
Yes, my wonderful people, listen, me a go break down the St. Vincent and the Hive man them, and a youth named Diddy and a youth named Smoke Dogg. And me I tell you now what really start the thing and why the thing gets so bad. But you see the Hive man them, to me, them is a set of pussy, straight up. Countryman I say that, una pussy. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Yo, my boss from out of Toronto, you know me I talk. You understand? The big heavy boss. See, me not give it too much, but I St. Vincent him come from. I just that me I go say, respect dada. You know me I talk. Me say the Hive man them a pussy. Well, you what now? Me I talk to the Hive man them. Yo, me here say wanna import some hitman from Trinidad, you know. You understand? Yo, wanna no bother with the fuckery in the place, dog. Send back them blood clot idiot hitman there at Trinidad, dog. You understand? Cause una go like una not have family. Una touch people family, people are gonna want to touch phone family. Send back them man the dog. I pussy whole thing. Hive. Sanga, cause me know me here. You understand? I fuck you now do you know. Now, here me I talk to the police then. You understand? And officer, una for doing the job. Now, una pick up the man them and I drop the man them in a enemy territory. It's like una add to the damn war. Una for stop it. So me I speak to the police then, and me I speak to the chief of police. Cause me here say, una pick up man and man and I drop the man them in a enemy territory. That's not good. You see Diddy, him used to flex with a youth named Smoke Dogg. You understand? And Smoke Dogg, him not in the country no more. Cause through the fuckery, him have to Lego dog. You see Smoke Dogg is Diddy right hand man. Him are the lieutenant. You have Diddy and Smoke Dogg. You see Smoke Dogg, if you see him, you go see Diddy. If you see Diddy, you go see him. A Diddy bench and body, like we say in Jamaica. Now, me I tell you now, how the war start. But like me say, the war kinda take a different turn. But the war start over a certain issue. I'm gonna explain it for you. Now, you see have the Hive man them, and them have for them pull. Them link with certain man. The youth they wanna look upon a him named Sean. And him get dash way. You understand? Now, you swoosh past St. Vincent there at this time right now. With the 5 man them get licked down. Me I try bring on back to the past so you can understand where I go on right there. So. Now you have a youth named Diddy. Diddy I make money and I do him thing. Certain man him link and deal with. Certain man him no link and deal with. Him roll with a youth named Smoke Dogg like I said earlier. For whatever reason, the Hive man them, like him and them kick off. Cause them I say, Diddy figure them money. I that me here from the ground. Down upon the ground. You understand? And me here say, certain thing jump off because of that. Next thing you know, Diddy driver Our mechanic dead, I drive Diddy car. Other man jumping at the thing. And next thing you know, Sean get fling way. After Sean get fling way, cause Sean come from the Bees Hive, other man get fling way. Me hear say all court get robber man dead, boat captain dead. And all sort of things go on. Now, me don't want to look like me a pick sides, you know. But, you see the Bees Hive them, enough fuckery them go on with. And the Bees Hive them are terrorized enough for the people them and are extort enough things. And, me just a be honest dog, me here see them a work with the government. Now, why the Prime Minister no draw a meeting with all of the man them and try to solve this problem? I don't want to know. Why the dirty police them no get up and do them work and lock up the man them, the Bees Hive them, who do the murder? Cause yo, me there so me can tell them who a murder what and who a do what. And the police them nah do nothing. Listen, people living in them country, them supposed to can work, make money with old people that terrorize them. You understand? And I that me see I go on. Now, as me say, me is a man, me name countryman, and me lick out for every blood clot body. Now Diddy, you see you have to help the people in your country, my youth. You can't bring your money with you. The whole of we are go dead one day. You understand? And you have to help the poor people in your country, my youth. And that me have to say. Cause if me not say this to you, I feel like me not do my bumbuckler job, Diddy. You understand? Yeah, I feel like me not do my job. So, when me I say, Bees Hive, tell them Trinidad boy if we go back at Trinidad. No hit man thing now go on yaso. Cause countryman dep on the case. And me I beg the Prime Minister for draw for a meeting with the people them dog. And try deal with this. Because me not have to talk certain things, you know. People don't know where I go on, you know. But them afraid for talk. And me I go be them voice. You see what I'm saying? Me, I go be them vice. Like me I say, me no want nobody think say me a choose side. But from when me say, the Bees Hive them a pussy. And them a do all sort of thing. Me can name a whole heap of thing where them do already. I me no live at St. Vincent. You see what I'm saying? So, at the end of the day, we want this Prime Minister youth here, this brother here, do something about this situation. Now, me notice, I no want people think say, yo, me a choose sides. Me notice say, from certain people dead, that's when him a decide to ask for extra help. But when other people did that dead, him now do that. And all me I tell the Prime Minister, say that look funny. You understand? When you have a death, it's a death. And when one man dead, that set a man dead, then you're going to take action. You understand? Now, me know I will eat more things, you know, where me can't talk. But in another one video, yeah, me just give a brief coalition on how the damn war start. And me I tell them blood clot Bees Hive boy, they say, no bother with no hitman thing. You understand? And me just go on a little lay down upon the youth Diddy. And the one we name Smoke Dogg. You understand? But listen, we'll eat more video coming up. We'll eat more video come. I'm want to stay tuned. With that said, Shotty Mark and the boy when you in junglist in a blood clot Barbados. Me not done with you know. But the things I'm done I just through my busy. But watch this. Junglist, me I come for you. Shotty Mark, me I come for you. Bees Hive, me a come for you. Trinidad with Prezi and 6 down them, me a come for now. Cause I realize Trinidad are the little hitman country in the region. And me a come for them, dog. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. But yo, me go on a synopsis of this, you know. But me have some deeper stuff to say. And me I go say it eventually in a couple other videos. So stay tuned. I'm out, yo.